Share this in a friend to share with a friend to the very end. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, just share with somebody as a come on, alright? So let them can get to go through them here. Ready, ready. Big up Ashley Stokes. Long time I don't see that name there. You know. What go on, Ashley? Nadra, big up. Ready. Well, ensemble, you know, guys. You know, ensemble, you know. Alright, guys, I'll go through some work. We're going to start work right now. But more you guys will share it before we even begin, alright? Tiana, not grade 6 yet. But me just post up one for grade 6. So you can go check that out, alright? It's of a CSEC 2023. But you know it already. Maths is maths. So you can watch it. And it not affect you, see me. Just go and share it, guys. You're going to start in 2 minutes. Let me get the paper. Big up from Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana. Big up everybody. Alright? Thanks for the support, guys. Especially Trinidad, Guyana, Grenada. All of them places. Africa. USA. Yeah, big up CME. Alright, we have this some work now. Let me just bring out the paper and then we get cracking. It's like a mad, guys. It's like a mad. So yeah, test your skill now, alright? But share it first so others can get it, because you know it go. And like the video too, so YouTube can recommend it to more people. Because a lot of people are struggling now, guys. No joke about that. So we're gonna start off with everybody's favorite. Alright, 2023 paper. First question, guys. Number 1. Put that in the comment section right away, alright? Big up everybody who join. No it go mad, right? What's the answer for that one, guys? We are getting warm up in the cold night. Yeah. Alright, big up from Trinidad. Big up Trinidad people again. Yeah, man. So, guys, that's basically a test your skill now. Big up K Key, Tiana Davis. Welcome. Alright, guys, let's go. So we work the top first. So it will be 3.5 minus 1 and 1/5. So we can convert this to improper. So we multiply 3 times 2 plus 1. That will give us 6 over 2 minus 1 times 5. That's 5 plus 1. 6 over 5. So we're going to work the top first. So once we add in and subtracting, we find the what we call the LCM. This should be 7, guys. 3, 2, 6, and 1, 7 over 2, right? So it will be 7 over 2 minus 6 over 5, 155, and that's 6. Find the LCM of 2 and 5, which is 10. And then we divide each into 10. So we said 2 into 10. That goes 5 times. So we multiply 7 times 5, which is 35. 5 into 10 goes 2 times. 6 times 2, 12. And then we subtract. So we subtract 35 minus 12, and that gives us 23 over 10. So for the top, it works out to 23 over 10. This line means divided by 2/3. We can type in the comment section. What does it say? What does the rule say when we are dividing? What does the rule say when we are dividing? So we'll do what we call the keep, change to multiplication, and flip. So it's 23 over 10. Change it to multiplication. This becomes 3 over 2. And we can work it out now. So it will be 3 times 23, which is 3 3 is 9. 3 2 6 over 20. So that's our first one. So on the CSEC paper, our first question is going to be a fraction. Hit the like button for that, guys. And then now, so I'm going to give you another fraction. And this one, you'll be seeing this one very, very soon. If you know, you know. You'll be seeing this question very soon. So ensure this one particular that's coming next, ensure that you can do it. Guys, remember to share it with our friend. To share with our friend, there is no end. So this will be question 2. Guys, ensure you can solve this without no mistake. Very important question, that one. Alright, very important question. Ensure you can solve that one without making any mistake at all. Oh, you can work it in the calculator just the same, but you have to practice it. Ensure so you know how to do it, and then you check it versus the calculator one, alright? So yeah, I know the calculator one. I saw someone from Trinidad was selling one that I saw him on TikTok. And he said that it's allowed in the CSEC. You can also do matrices and all of them something. But my job is to prepare you. So if you don't get a calculator then you can get full marks without using it. Alright? So that's my task. Alright, so I'm seeing 81 over 22. Big up Cassidy, Dylan, Kiki, big up everybody. Thanks for the comments, guys. Tiana Davis said, I do understand this. Calculators are not allowed in paper 1, but for paper 2, it's allowed. So for paper 1, that's multiple choice, it's not allowed. The good thing, the multiple choice, they repeat, they're on my channel already. So the same exact question you'll be getting in exam, they're already done on my channel. So for those who want to get 60 out of 60, ensure say watch all of them videos. What's the answer for this one, guys? 1 more minute. Let's go, let's go. One more minute and then we go through the solution. Let's go. Alright, someone says 4.5. Alright, so guys, this is very easy because one, they gave you this to work out in the bracket, so you know you're supposed to work out the bracket first. So you're just gonna add this and then divide. So let's work out this. The LCM would be 12, LCM of 12 and 3. 12 into 12, 1. 7, 1, 7. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. 1, 4, 4. So this works out to 11 over 12. So now we have 3 and 3 over 8 divided by 11 over 12. So we're going to convert 3 and 3 8 to improper. So 3 8 24 plus 3 27 over 8 divided by 11 over 12. We know what the rule state. We write back the first fraction. We just did one like that. We change to multiplication and we flip the last one. So 11 over 12 becomes 12 over 11. And then now we can reduce the fraction. So 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. And this gives us 3. 3 times 27. 3 7s 21. I saw this answer. 3 7s 21. 3 2 6 and that 81. 2 times 11 22. I did saw this answer. Good job. Good job. 81 over 22. That would be the correct answer. Good job, man. So guys, I work, we are work, and a chicken we are jerk. Let's go, let's go. So number 1 on your paper is going to be a fraction. And this is what your number 2 will look like. Alright, somebody say another one, please. Alright, yeah, that's fair, that's fair. But it's going to be very similar, and I have a particular reason why I want it to be similar to this. Read between the lines, guys. Read between the lines. And I have to say everything. But it's going to be very similar to this one, alright? Alright, go ahead and do that one. This is supposed to be divide, sorry. Sometimes I move too fast. Let's see who can get that one correct, guys. Very important. No mistake on it, alright? And guys, you know one of the things I always say, push yourself. At all times, push yourself. I see 130 over 77. And I see bread say 150 over 77. So I guess over some 77 go on. But which is it, guys? Which is it? I can give you guys some more minutes just to ensure that you go through it, alright? I want you guys to get the solution. Somebody says 150. Okay. Let's see how this one goes now. Okay, okay. So you're saying it's 150. Alright. So both of you got that. What about the others? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Alright, so we know by now everyone should know how to do it. We basically work out the bracket, and from there it should be cakewalk. So we're gonna subtract 2 and 2/5 from 3.5. You guys want one more minute? Let's go, guys, let's go. One thing Mr. Bennett, I push you, you know. As a be a straight aim used to, so I want you guys to get that too. Guys, make sure you share your video to you know, so people can come on. Enough people are struggling, you know. Alright, so we have 3 times 2, that is 6 plus 1. So we convert 3 over 2 and we get 7 over 2. Minus 2 times 5, that is 10. 10 plus 2, that's 12 over 5. We find our LCM. This will be 10. We just did one like this. 2 into 10 goes 5 times, so we multiply by 5, 7, 5, 35. Minus 5 into 10, that goes 2 times. So we multiply 2 times 20, 2 times 12 and we get 24. So our final answer for this portion would be 11 over 10. We subtract 24 from 35 and we get 11. So for this part, we're going to convert it. So this is what we have now. 2 and 1, 7 divided by 11 over 10. So we convert this to 7, 14 plus 1, 15 over 7 divided by 11 over 10. But we know the rules state that when we are dividing, we change the division to multiplication and then flip. So 11 over 10 becomes 10 over 11. And then that now, 15 times 10 upon 7 times 11. We clear, guys? So that gives us 150 over 77. And how many times can we get 77 out of 150? We can put that in the comment section. Suppose we want to convert that 150 to over 77. KCF. Big up yourself. Life with Kelsey. Oh! And the only time Kelsey come on from, when I examine next day. Kelsey, you have to do better, Woo! Kelsey, make sure you like the video. Make sure you share it. Alright, guys. So we're going to move to another. You always can watch back the video. So we're going to move to another one now. As them boys say, we have moved to that one here. Grimy. Hope everyone take down the solution if I never get it. But I'm expecting everyone to get it though. Let's see who is the first person to solve this one without me showing you an example. Let's go. This one is rather simple. It comes from algebra, or you can say laws of indices. I want you guys to simplify these and tell me what you got for the answer. So let's call this A and this one B. So type in the answer and put A, B. So do these three, guys. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to complete these. If you're just joining, share the video first of all, alright? So more people can come on. Share the video, guys. Share it, share it. Oh, Kelsey say her friend. Oh, you knew Kelsey. I thought it was Kelsey and we go my school. Okay, cool. Yeah, man. Big up that friend there for me. Big up that friend there for me. Much love, much love. I'm a real friend. Any friend I recommend it to learn? Pradhan, Wagwan. Somebody say A equal x to the 125. Alex Cannon say grade 6 work. Oh, you're asking if it's grade 6 work. I can do some grade 6 work for you guys, I just did a video with some past papers type stuff. You guys can definitely check out that, alright? Mr. Benita cater for everybody. Pep, C-Sec, City and Gills, everybody, man. Every subject a matter of fact. This is actually grade 11 though. So it's specifically. Guys, you know see the video I do for matrix today? Equal matrix. You don't need to go back and check that out. Guys, me ever upload, you know. Chemistry, of course, chemistry the on it too. Everything there, man. Work, we are working, you know, man, and a chicken, we are jerk, you know. So, Benny, it depends on how you go thing, you know, man. Thanks for the likes, guys. You know, so them thing they will live for. Nobody not done yet. Me not think of x to the 125, you know. 50 number one. Alright, thanks guys. That is much better. That is much better. Alright, let's go. So for this one, life with Kelsey and x to the 15, you know. Let me show you something. You see when you have it like this? Oh yeah, 15. What it means x to the 5 times x to the 5 times x to the 5. Right? And then we add the powers. Once the base is the same, once the letters we add it. So it will be 5 plus 5 plus 5. So it's x to the 15. Or we could just simply multiply 5 times 3. Let me see the answer for B now. B is go grimy. B is grimy, guys. Guys, Venn diagram is not coming on paper 2 anymore. Only in the multiple choice, alright? So you guys don't know the syllabus? Yeah, Alex, 5 times 3. So guys, Venn diagram not coming on the paper 2. Even if it come, only 2 circles. So first we multiply 2 times negative 3. And then we have x to the second power times x to the minus 3. So this will give us minus 6. A positive times a negative, that's minus. And for this one, we add the power, so it would be x to the 2 plus negative 3. One is negative, so we subtract and we keep the sign of the bigger one. So it would be negative 6x to the minus 1. So that will be our answer for that one. Alright? What about C? What is the answer for C, guys? Let's go. Guys, ensure so you have your notebook and you take out all the notes and everything. Very important. Alright? Cassidy says she having problem with these. They're on my channel, man. We have to fix that. I'm gonna start upload more videos, because exam will come right around the corner. Big ball, that's a 6x to the minus 5. Remember, when you multiply, we add. Yeah. Guys, you just have to practice every day, alright? To me, I have so many classes, but I don't come on every day, because I'm here for who want to learn. Alright. Oh, divide for the years. So guys, there's a different concept when you are dividing. So somebody type in answer for that and tell me, please. The syllabus is online. You can just type in math syllabus. Even if I see 10 years ago, the math syllabus not changed. It's the same thing. Yeah, man, that is everything there on my channel, man. In fact, I do a pattern and sequence, like some number 7s. Those normally come at number 7 on the CSEC. I've done several of those on my channel. You guys just have to mouse through, type in where you want and look. And the more you watch my videos, the more YouTube will show you them. Over 800 videos. Alright, so the rules state that when we're dividing, I'm going to give you guys one more of this to try. When we're dividing, we subtract. Right, so we're going to subtract 8 minus 9. So the minus, the divide, make a minus. So we get 8 plus 9. So that works out to x to the 17th power. So very important. That one can be a little bit tricky. Alright. Jude Ali, big up yourself. Thanks for the comment. And guys, we're on TikTok too, with it everywhere. Everywhere with it, everywhere. Alright, so you guys try this one. Next question, guys. Next question. Ensure you take your notes, These are from a special paper. I will not say which paper, but these are from a very special paper. You guys will be seeing them here again. Try those two, guys. Bear in mind, when we're dividing, it's a different rule. When we're adding, when we're multiplying, it's a different rule. Alright? We can only add or subtract like terms. I'm big up for all the persons who their friend recommend and they in turn recommend somebody. Everyone is welcome here. So I see 10x to the 11th power. Akeem Robinson, big up yourself. Yo! Tomorrow I go mad. Tomorrow I mock exam, guys. And I know my students are going to malice me. Yeah, man, the cosine rule, everything is on it. The sine rule too. Bearings, introduction to bearings. Everything there on my channel, guys. Just type in my name and the topic where you want. And a jokes channel, this, guys. I don't know, I'm tune and prank the girlfriend over here. We have to get the support. Dancehall audio. 10x to the 7th. Right answer. Like a calypso you are playing a dance. Alright. Akeem say calm, you want to go in a mock exam. Happy. Alright. Guys, I'll go through these now and then 10x to the minus 7. So Shakira Dennis have a different answer from Dancer. Dancer, you have a positive 10x to the 7th power. Which is it? Dancer say, oh, minus 7. Alright, so let's go through them, guys. The sign is very important. Alright, so let me clear off this because we don't want no disturbance when we are doing things. You know. Work on a chicken we are jerk. So first we multiply 5 times 2, that's our first order of day. So it will be 5 multiplied by 2, and then we have x to the second times x to the minus 9. Alright, so this will work out to 10. That's straightforward. This one now, when we are multiplying, we add the power. So it will be x to the second power plus minus 9. And as you had gotten, the negative 9 is bigger. So we basically say, okay, we subtract and we get minus 7. So I'm going to bring them back together now. So the final answer would be 10x to the minus 7. So guys, be careful of this something. Straight A's more want to get, you know. So we now make a mistake with no positive and a negative sign. Alright? Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. Alright, so guys, I want you guys to look at this factorization now. Guys, there's a special reason why I'm picking out some questions and give you a concept. Why? But ensure that every single thing that we do tonight, ensure you have it right down in a book. Even if you don't catch every single thing tonight, ensure, say, big up Pop Smoke. Pop Smoke then the killer LA. There's a different Pop Smoke. I keep saying believe the negative, they might catch him tomorrow. Trying to make them catch up. Guys, look carefully on these questions. Make sure you write them down. Factorize this one, guys. And also this one. Alright? Write them down, guys. Believe me when I say write them down. Ensure so everything is written down. So even if you don't get everything tonight, ensure so you know them by heart. Or if you solve them, alright? Guys, remember to share with our friend, alright? Big up all them prep students, them. Champion, me I send no for one this year again, no. Immaculate, everywhere me I send one go. Everybody can factorize. Alright, let's look at the first one, guys. Thanks. I'm going to set a next set similar to this. And again, I have my particular reason. So the first thing you do when you're factorizing these, you look what's common. So you're going to take out which one they in this and they in this. If there are numbers, you look which numbers can divide into each numbers. But there's no number, so we have to check the letters. X here, so there's no X in there. You have Z and you have Z. So we can take out the Z, right? Z. Man, American. What may I say about Z? Come on. Alright. So X, Z is common to both. So we said XZ divided by Z. That is going to cancel out, leave the X. And then Z square divided by Z. Z square is Z times Z divided by Z. So we have 1Z. So this would be our answer. Z bracket X minus Z. One way you can know if your answer is correct, when you multiply, you're supposed to get back the original. So Z times X is XZ. And Z times negative Z is negative Z squared. What about this one? P squared minus Q squared. Somebody said P plus Q and P minus Q. Alright, very good. Difference of 2 square. With this one, guys, we literally just find the square root of both. So we have P, put P on either side, because when you find the square root of P squared, it will be P, and then when you find the square root of Q squared, it will be Q. So you put one a plus, and again, this is also on my channel. It's an entire video with all factorization. Many different types. Factorized by grouping, ABC method, and also difference of 2 square or perfect square also. So guys, you have to ensure that you guys follow what I'm doing. We're gonna next set and you guys factorize it. Let's go. Factorize this. Let's call this one C and call this one D. Who can factorize that? P to the 4th minus 1. What will be the answer for that? Guys, I'm not seeing nobody like the video. What more? Come on here and just click like. Guys, come on, man. Just like the video, man, so YouTube can send it off to more people. Who finished factorize those two? Alright, somebody say you don't understand D. I'm gonna explain detail. Somebody get it there, you know. Life with Kelsey. Journey with Tommy. Look top of you with Kelsey, that's correct. So guys, this is for D. All you're gonna say what number you multiply by itself to give you P4. And that can only be P squared, right? And for this one, y is common. And that's it. 3 marks. 3 marks. Like Mandela. One more. Factorize this, guys. One more. For the syllabus there, just go on Google. Type in C-Sec Math syllabus. But a piece of mix up with Chrissy and CMR. Hope she not left her husband because he make a little error. That woman love left their husband too much. And so we have no right to give on, you know, but if you have a good man in care and if you're a good man. Rennie Green. Big up Rennie. Alright guys, this was easy. So find square root, which is 2x. What's the square root of 25? Which number multiply by itself get 25? 5, right? So 1 a plus and 1 a minus. Notice it's a difference of 2 square. Same thing with 9x. Which number you multiply? Which number you multiply by itself, give you this. So that will be 3x and 3x. What's the square root of 9? Which number multiply by itself, which is 3. And guys, it doesn't matter which you put on the left or upon the right. You can also write it like this. You guys ready for the functions now? It's like somebody didn't know the functions are coming. One more go, one more. Simplified expression, guys. Now eat me midnight snack and eat. We're working, guys, so we hardly have time to eat. Try this one. Simplify this one. I just find this one. If you follow my channel, you would have seen all of them already. Big up Joseph. Pinky Campbell, welcome. Good night, good night. We are in the month of March, if that you ask. Big up LeBron. Oh, LeBron up on a different video. Alright. When I'm a prep student, that's not a student. I'm just telling you, say, yeah. Guys, also follow me on TikTok, see if Linux Paint, alright? If you want some little short video, relevant, and little past paper pop up, yeah. Check out my TikTok, Linux Paint. Wednesday, I want to go live for the prep students. So prep students, Wednesday your night. Your time to shine Wednesday. So Wednesday, I prep day, alright? This Wednesday, we are going to look on perimeter area, volume, total surface area. What's the answer for that one, guys? Me not see it yet, man. One. And we're going to do a solution for this, guys, and then we're going to move on to the function. Me not see nobody simplify it yet. Alright, Renee say y plus. Okay, that's the answer. Pop smoke, FF. Alright, so everybody I get the same answer. I'm going to see it going on. So it's y over x plus y. Let us see. So guys, let's see how C can craft it. I'm smart, you know. Alright, so what we do, we just factorize. So even though this simplifies, we have to factorize the top versus factorizing the base. So it's xy, so y common and y common. So we take out the y, leave x minus y. We have done this right a while ago. And then similarly, this is a difference of 2 squared. So this would be x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So these would cancel. Very good, guys. A lot of you, grade 1 is waiting for you, alright? Normal thing, you know. I know so enough people get ones on my belt. This year it's gonna be more than ever. I mean, I joke thing, guys. When I watch nobody, we just a work. Right, Rennie? We just a work and a chicken we a jerk. Alright, ready for the function question now, guys. Ready for the function. It's like somebody did see me take a look for my notes. Somebody a type and say if you're going to do function. Yeah, that depends it too. So I'm going to set the questions first and then see how many persons can get it correct without me. And this is one. Helen Powder House with this now. Wait, watch it joke with this. Record F to the minus 1, guys. Work where I work on a chicken we are jerk. And this one now. No, I'm gonna use F. I'm gonna use G. And then H. And I want you guys to find GH2 and HG negative 1. Let me see who can solve them now. Somebody said 2. Libby, pick up. Her man can play music at night time. I wonder who want to hear the music. Like if you there, guys, let me get rich and I have to go with people then. I'm going to Mars go live. Alright, Pop Smoke say 1. Say more, I say, huh? Kate say 1 also. So everybody is saying F to the negative 1 work. Like with Kelsey say 2 minus 1 is also 1. Amelia Smith say answer is 2. Which Amelia Smith that? Am my son auntie that? Or a different Amelia Smith? The answer, no. Alright, big up, see my Amelia. Can bet say YouTube go flag me video because of them madman. You know, say if somebody a pass and play a music on YouTube hear it. Alright, so somebody say half if it GH2 a half. Only 5 more minutes, guys, and then we can go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. Let's go, let's go. Take our orders now. Matt serving. Alright. Could do that one here first, which is f to the negative 1. So write back the function. And we're going to, anywhere we see x, we're going to input negative 1, right? So it's negative 1 squared minus 1 minus 1. So this is going to give us positive 1. Any number squared is positive. Negative times negative. That will give us 1 minus 1. Yeah. It's 1, guys. Well done. Alright, someone said GH2 is equal to a half. Let us see. Now, composite function. So we're combining the two functions. So the rule state that we write back the last function, which is h in this case. The last letter, that's the one we're going to write back. And it's h. So write back x plus 1. And then now we're going to put in everything else in g. G says 3x. So this is our x. So 3x minus 5 over 8. Alright. So we're just going to expand the bracket, which deal with the top. So it's going to be 3 times x, that's 3x. 3 times 1, that is 3, minus 5 over 8. Consider the 8 as all over 8, alright? So our final one, this will work out to negative 2, so it will be 3x minus 2 over 8. Alright, when we reach this stage, we're going to input 2 in this now. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2 over 8. 3, 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Yeah. Alright, Rennie says 0. Alright, let us see. 2 more minutes, guys. Because I want to clear some of the board. So 2 more minutes, complete HG negative 1. And then we'll see how it goes, alright? And guys, everything there on my channel already. So you don't have to ask about vectors, matrices, everything there. Even today I did a matrices video. Let me see how many, I think I did 4 past paper on matrices, and you have previous ones. So everybody just have to do what they have to do, you know, guys. Just go on the channel, do some work. Everything there, biochemistry, physics, everything there. So just go and do some work, man. While I wait till near exam, then time down and say, oh, I'm gonna do some work. No. Just go and put in the work. Right through. Nothing wrong with that if you put in the work right through. Yeah. Hello? Hi, good night. Okay, okay. Yeah, man. What grade? What grade? Okay, okay. Good timing. Alright, so it's Saturdays. Saturdays. Okay. No, man. I do them together, you know, because it's the same syllabus. But what happened? For grade 5, they do additional topics. But what I do, I expose the grade 4 to it. Because I teach slow, so they normally catch on. Yeah. Yeah man, that's true, that's true. Because they started from grade 4. They start judging them from grade 4. Yeah, so they will have an exam in June. Yeah. And the grade 6 soon will have to. So I soon only have 4 and 5. Yeah. So yeah man. So next Saturday, definitely. So we have two options, either 8 a.m. to 10 or 5. Okay. Yeah man, it's the same class. It's the same class. Okay, okay. Yeah. Alright, so I'll save a number. Okay. Alright. Yeah, no problem, man. I'll wait. Alright, yeah. Alright, you see that guy? Somebody just sign up, Yeah. And a joke thing we are dealing with. People know it's a business we are dealing with. Youth, if you don't want to doctor, lawyer, you don't forget maths, don't it? Alright, so let us look at HG. So write back all of G first. G says 3x minus 5. So that's 3x minus 5 over 8. Put that in bracket because this is our x. So x says plus 1. So notice all of this are x. So when I multiply, we just have plus 1. And that's what it says. Plus 1. Alright? And then we can simplify this. So it will be 3x minus 5 plus 1. Let's put them together so everybody can see. So this becomes 3x minus 4 over 8. And then we're supposed to put negative 1 in there. I'm trying to figure out how you guys get 0 though. So put negative 1 where x is. So this will be negative 1 minus 4 over 8. 3 times that, negative 3 minus 4 over 7. And then that would work out to, no, this is supposed to be 8. So it will be negative 7 over 8. I'm not sure how you guys got 0. I got negative 7 over 8. Alright? Anyway, let us look at some more functions. Not sure what happened right here why you guys got 0. The number of persons, I'll put 0. Try this one, guys. F of x is equal to 3x plus 5 over 4. And I want you guys to find the inverse of f, x, and then the inverse, and put 2 there. So try that one. Those two at least. So you find the inverse of f, and then put 2 in the function, and see what they get. It wouldn't be 0 though. Because you would write back the last function and then it does plus 1. So the final answer would be negative 7 over 8. Because you replace negative 1 anywhere you see x, you put negative 1. Amelia says she have a problem with the inverse. You're going to fix that. You're going to fix that. Alright, we could go through the inverse then, no? So everybody can fix it. The inverse is rather easy. You're literally just doing the opposite of whatever is happening. So I think that's the most critical thing to know. You're literally doing the opposite of whatever is happening. Alright? So for this one, I'm going to go very slow. So we have f of x is equal to 3x plus 8 divided by 4. You can literally get the answer by inspection. However, I'm going to show you step by step first. So the first step, you change the function to y because it's a graph. So it will be 3x plus 8 over 4. Next step, you're going to interchange x for y and y for x. So anywhere you see x, you put y. And anywhere you see y, you put x. So you interchange, just swap the position. Alright, at this point now, you're going to make y the subject of the formula. I see the answer, 4x minus 8 over 3. I cannot disagree with that answer. Yeah, yeah, that's correct, guys. Very good. So I'm going to fix it for the other person. So the first thing you attack is the furthest one done to y. So you have 3y plus 8 divided by 4. So divide by 4 is the last thing we said. So we do the inverse of divide by 4. What's the inverse of dividing by 4? You know somebody are going to say multiply by 4. Anything you do to one side, you do to both sides. So now we end up with 4x on this side. But we're not finished yet. We have 3y plus 8. Now what's the inverse of plus 8? Somebody said minus 8. So you do the same thing for this side. So you minus 8 from this side. And then the last thing now, we have 3 times y. So we take the opposite of the not multiplying, which is dividing. So we divide by 3. So yes, guys, it is indeed 4x minus 8 divided by 3. Let me just rewrite it up here. So it's 4x over 3. Or you can do it by inspection. You literally look at it and say, okay, whatever is being done to x is going to be the opposite. So we have 3 times plus 8 divided by 4. So you look at it and say, okay, since this is a divide, you multiply. So you say 4 times x. This is plus 8, you minus 8. This is times, you divide. That's called inspection, and you get full marks for that. Simple as that. One more, guys. One more for practice. I'm not going to rub off. I'm not going to go down so far because down there so seems not to be showing. Let me just care about the tripod a little more because I want you guys to see everything. Sorry for that. Shake up the camera. One more, guys. Just for practice for the persons who are here. But let us do the 2 first. So we'll put 2 in this now. So anywhere we see 2. That will put 2. So it will be 4 times 2, which is 6 minus 8 over 3, which gives us minus 2 over 3. The 8 is bigger, so we subtract, so that's that. Alright? So guys, I want you guys to do one. I'm going to clear the board and let you guys do one more on your own. Yo, look how much likes we get tonight. Go on. Enough that, you know. Because people are really ready for work yet. But guys, when you're ready, Mr. Benita are ready. Alright? When you're ready for work, when I come from my live, I see 5,000 people watching. Them time them know so you're ready. So I'm gonna be saving the videos until I'm strength till you guys ready. One the videos them figure viral, guys. All of them we are dealing with. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Find the inverse of each. Especially for the persons who say they can't do it or they're scared of it. I want to fix that tonight. 0 over 3? I didn't get a 0 over 3. Oh, 4 2's 8. A 3 2 6 minutes do. Sorry guys, sorry. I rub it off and I didn't saw the error. It's the comment that I saw, then I figure I would say some error me. My apologies, alright? Just do the right thing, guys. Do the right thing. That's why we are human, you know. Smiley and laugh. Okay. That I don't feel laugh about. Come on, man. You don't say a genuine error. So anybody who watch the playback, just know say one error that. Who says it's not the actual paper? What you say to me? You have the actual paper? Sky, what you say? We're not finding we're not finding negative one, you know, we're finding the inverse of h. Sky, what you mean say I know the paper? What you tell me say? You have the paper? Alright, don't mix it and see. Mashallah. Don't mix it and then you regret it, yeah? Yo, oh my god. Can't believe you call me the word the sky. Alright. Sky 7 hour reputation of lying. Can't believe that. So like my ex bro. Georgia. Alright, so we have h of x. Oh now, yo man, you now mix me up with CMR. Never tell a lie, a prank. A prank it would. Alright, so guys, the first thing we do, we can do it by inspection. We could do it the long way first. So we change the function to y. So we have y equal 7x minus 9 over 2. Next we interchange x to y and x to y. Y to x. And prank this. Alright, so now we're going to solve for y. We're going to make y. We're going to keep y and we're going to get rid of the 2, the negative 9 and the 7. But we must take the inverse of each. Alright? So we multiply by 2 because we have to get rid of the 2 first. I'm going to make the x stay in a black, you know, guys. Because people are saying I'm liar. Alright, so we have 7y minus 9. So this is a minus 9. We take the opposite of minus 9, which is the plus 9. And that's it. So it will be 2. I will add 9 to this side also. So it will be 2x plus 9. And that equals to 7y. But we're not finished. We need to get rid of the 7 that we're multiplying by y. So we divide by 7. As the opposite of times. So the final answer would be h inverse of x is equal to 2x plus 9 over 7. And by inspection, we look at this first. 2 times x. This is minus 9 plus 9. This is being times, so we divide. Same thing. Both of them are correct. And that's a no lie. Alright? Hit the like button, guys. Carry it up to 70 likes. Alright, now put that challenging one on the board. Amelia says she get the answer there. Big up yourself, Amelia. Big up. Guys, that's a genuine error, man. Come on. Hi, Nadia. What that name there? That's a from Germany there. A Germany there. Fuck now. I say a Germany there. Fuck now. I'm not drunk, man. I'm not drunk. Guys, I'm only human, you know. So if I make an error, that's not nothing. No one is perfect. No one on here is perfect. No one in Jamaica or in the Caribbean is perfect. Find the inverse of this one now, guys. You see how many great things we do and one error, and you see somebody I bring up that. Fuck no. Are you from Germany? That's how it pronounced. Fuck no. That's not how it pronounced. It's Faulkner. A German name, that man. Big up from Germany, Faulkner. Appreciate you, know. But I are European, everybody will appreciate. She said, I'm spoil. Oh, Jamaican. Okay, okay. So it's Faulkner then. Okay, it's not Faulkner, but it's Faulkner. Alright. My apologies, alright? Guys, this one is really tough. This one was a here. I don't remember which year this came, but it's very tough. Oh, it's fork. No. Fork, no. Fork, no. Jaja. The kids used to trouble you at school? Celine Levy, big up yourself. Renee said 5x minus 2 divided by 4x minus 3. Alright, welcome Celine Levy, pick up yourself. Celine, make sure you like the video, alright? Right away. It depends 72 likes, so like it, make it go 73. Pinky said 9x plus 10 over 3. Guys, this one is a bit tough, so let us see if we can go through it. Stacy Fowler, Creations. Yeah, I mean, this one is a bit tough. I won't deny it. It's a bit tough. But it is very manageable also. So we're gonna do that one here the long way. Guys, you don't have to link up the class them more time, you know. Alright. Because I only get time to come on YouTube. So we change the function to y. I think I the wrong marker than this, you know. Yeah, you know. Hold on. I feel better marker than them. I put on the wrong marker, the right marker then. Alright, so we have 3x minus 2 upon 4x plus 5, right? So what we're going to do now, we're going to interchange just like what we do x, y, and y for x. So anywhere we see x, we put y, and anywhere we see y, we put x. Alright, we want to get rid of the denominator. So what we're going to do, we're going to be multiplying by all of this. Alright, so we're going to say x times 4y plus 5. I hope everybody follow. Equal to 3y minus 2. Remember, our job is to get y by itself, right? So I'm going to expand the bracket, because bracket means to multiply. So it will be x times this, which gives us 4xy plus that gives you 5x, and this equal 3y minus 2. But we have a problem, because we have y on the left and y on the right. So we need to bring all our y's together. Alright? So this is a positive 3y. We are bring it over and make it go match with that 4xy. But we must take the inverse of it. So we're gonna minus 3y. And we still have the 5x over here, so you know. We have the minus 2. So we'll get rid of that positive 5x to now. Because we want to bring it over the next side. So we minus 5x. So now we're left with this. I'm going to write it up the top. I'm writing back the same line right here, just so everyone can see it. So it's 4xy minus 3y, and that equal to negative 2 minus 5x. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we want to get y by itself, so we're going to factor out y. Alright, so we take out the y, and then y into this, leave 4x. Y into this. Y cancel, so you have minus 3, right? So you have minus 2 minus 5x. And then now, we divide by all of this, which is the 4x minus 3. Since all of it is multiplying, we divide by this. Anything I do to one side, do to the next side. So that's f inverse. Let's change this. Now I'm gonna rewrite it. F inverse of x. Alright. So you ready for the one more? Found the one now. Let's go. Hit the like button. Yes, Celine, that is good. Guys, remember I said recorded, you know, so you guys can make the recording from the start. See if you guys can do one more. Okay, but remember, say I have exam May 17, you know. Thanks for watching POB video then. Alright, Faulkner said we should Faulkner said we should go over. Alright, tell you what Faulkner. We're going to do another one and then I'll go through the solution. Alright? I think I'm going through a bit fast. Guys, that's what I'm tired, you know. So I see me say 2 4s are 6. That's a genuine error. But try this one, guys. Alright? Are the pretty mark I'm bring out, you know, guys? Are the pretty mark I'm bring out? Look at one, guys. Tomorrow I'm supposed to get some markers from St. Mary's College. Big up St. Mary's College family. Big up the Trinidad family. Big up Guyana family. Big up Grenada. Big up Bahamas. Big up St. Lucia. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Everybody big up. Alright? Cayman, I don't know why people from Cayman don't watch my video. You know. What I'm doing in Cayman? YouTube said I want to watch my video the least. I'm gonna go over our next one, man. One example now, man, in our work, you know. 2 and 3. Guys, I'm tired, you know. I sleep. You know what we can do? We can probably cut the video, cut the live here, and then our next time we'll pick up again. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys. So I'll be the last one. Yeah, them literally a shut down. Alright, missing 9x plus 5 divided by 2x. Alright, let's go easy, guys. Let's go. What next time we're going to pick up? I have a 2-hour video on this, so you guys can find it. Alright? So the first step, normally like how we do. We change the function to y. That's the first step. Alright? Just like with the normal one. Same thing again, we interchange x for y and x and y for x. So we change it, so x is equal to y plus 5. Anywhere we see x, we put y. So this will become 2y minus 9. Alright, the first thing that we want to do now, we want to get rid of the denominator, which is a 2y minus 9. So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply by 2y minus 9. So it's going to be x times all of this, right? Which is 2y minus 9. It's like a cross multiplied in, right? So it's 2y minus 9. And that will go equal to, no, we need to write it down here. So you guys need to see it clear, right? So it's like a cross multiply, so x times this. So that's 2y minus 9 equal to y plus 5. Alright? So now we want to get rid of the bracket. So we multiply x times that gives us 2xy. X times negative 9 gives us minus 9x. And then we have the y plus 5. Alright, so the next step now, we want to get all the y's by itself. So we have a positive y over here, so we're going to bring the y here with a 2xy here. So we take the inverse of this, which is minus y. But we still have the negative 9x over here. And this leave 5. Alright? So now we are getting rid of this negative y. What's the inverse of negative y? We add y, right? Add 9x rather. So let me just rewrite it up here. So we know of this. 2xy minus y equal to 5 plus 9x. Alright? So now, remember our objective is to make y the subject of the formula. So what we're going to do is to just simply factor out the y, because y is common to both, and we divide y into this. That's going to have 2x, y into that, left minus 1. What next day we are going to pick up on it, guys? I'm really tired. Alright, and then now we divide by this. Because it's a time, so we take the inverse. So yeah, the person that said that. So the inverse of h is equal to 5 plus 9x over 2x minus 1. And that is our answer. But we are going to pick up on next time, guys. Just turn on the notification. So when we get some free time, I know all your classes now. When we get some free time, we can go on and make you guys, we can start back with this, alright? And guys, you can simply check out my other videos then. You know what I mean? So don't know what to do, guys. Don't know what to do. Work, you know. When you come closer to C6, I want to do some more live. But I want to come on and see what you pound. Alright. Faulkner says she understand. Faulkner, I'm really happy that you understand now. Thank God. Alright. I remember you always can watch back the video. That's the beauty of YouTube. Sometimes I go live on TikTok. However, when I go live on TikTok, I don't know how to save it. Oh, big up Antigua too. I never say Antigua. Oh God. Somebody from Antigua just text me, man. A good friend. Cherry from Antigua. Big up yourself. Cherry, your real name? Fine Cherry. Cherry will soon fix that, man. Cherry, I join my Zoom class, you know. TikTok guys asleep, me I go sleep. Me tired, man. Me have pep class from morning, me have lower school, me have my CSEC class, and then me have a next pep class. And then me come, me record a video for the pep pitting them again. What the power me do from morning, man. And next day, man. When it come closer to exam, every day me I got it on. Every day. Alright. Journey with Tamaj. Big up. That's from India, right? Now, hope, man, you pass, man, you pass. But you have to just put in the work. We start go and work until the time come. Guys, more when time I come live on YouTube, I see what people like come go up on TikTok. So turn on the notification, alright? Yeah, man, me have faith say I get one too. So big up, guys. Oh, my TikTok name is Lennox Bennett. Same as my YouTube channel. Instagram too. Everything have the same name. One day, one city I gonna name off of my name, you know. One city I gonna name off of my name. So look out for that, guys. I wanna ask to put in the work, you know, work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. But guys, ensure say you subscribe, ensure say your notification on so as we go live. Alright, Renee, thanks. See you in class. Big up. And guys, remember say we have Zoom class, so we can link up anytime when we're ready. 876-549-2161. It's up on my channel already. Yeah, Renee, thanks. I will. Get some rest now and thing.